MobileTechTalk, and here we have the Oppo Reno in the green colorway. When you look at the pictures, it's a bit deceiving. It looks quite blue, but in reality, it is a very sea green, as the color's called, device. So on the back, we have the first camera, which is the 48 megapixel lens, the new Sony sensor. And then we have the wide angle lens, and then we have the telephoto lens, which is using the periscope mechanism. We have some branding, Oppo, designed by Oppo. At the bottom we have the SIM card slot alongside the USB Type-C, microphone and speaker. And on the top, the sharkfin camera alongside another speaker, so you can use this in stereo mode, as was shown in the demo. So we've got the volume up and down buttons, and then we've got a color coordinated power button. So obviously taking a look at the device, very fluid. I mean, that is expected from a device running the Snapdragon 845. Let's take a look at the camera, which is one of the main functionalities of this. So if we see 1x, then we've got 2x, we have 5x, just head back there, we have 10x, and then we have 20x. So with 20x we can actually get an image. So if I zoom out a bit, so this is a test subject, so 10x hybrid, which is a fair bit away. I mean, it's all the way on the other side of the room. And actually it's captured it quite good precision. I'm really impressed with camera performance. Obviously we're running Color OS 6 here. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure on this. I haven't personally used Color OS before, so it will be something new for me. But I mean, it's Android at the end of the day, so you can customize it if you want, if ColorOS isn't to your suiting. They have the new VOOC 3.0 charging built into this, the Snapdragon 855 as I mentioned earlier. It's a 93.1% screen to body ratio. There is a tiny bezel at the bottom here, which is very negligible, but it is missing on the top. Let's do a quick demo of the shark fin front facing camera. So bottom obviously we press that camera flip button, and then we've got an animation, which is very cool indeed, and it just pops up. It raised, I would say, about 5mm, 6mm out of the body of the phone, and you can't, if you try and push it in, can't really do that, and it is quite a strong motor. I've tested that out. Obviously into the camera modes we have video built in, we've got photo and portrait. It's not too gimmicky, it's quite simple. Up here we can press this and got different filters and stuff. Here we just have some camera settings, so we've got timer to actually take a photo and stuff like that. In the menu then we can pick, night mode, panorama, expert, so that's a manual mode I'm guessing, time-lapse, slow-mo and Google Lens. So this does have Google Lens built into it, which is a very cool thing. It's not connected to the internet at the moment, so it's not going to work. But actually this clean interface where it's only portrait, photo and video, which I think people are going to be using maybe 80-85% of the time, you know, it's quite simple, and then if you need to, you can click the menu button and then go through your options. Overall impressions, it's a nice device. It does get a little bit fingerprinty, but unlike the glass devices, it's got like a almost metal finish. I'm not exactly sure of it. We have these CE markings at the bottom, but it looks incredible, and hopefully we should have a sample in hand soon, so then we can test it out fully and then let you know. Otherwise, stay tuned to Mobile Tech Talk, and we'll see you next time.